So this is pretty amazing. This warehouse, this door is broken, but with 3 pipes, you can keep it closed, see? Show you how it's done. I can open it up. Ding. Great. So to get it to work again, obviously you have the door closed. Take the first pipe around. There. It normally works better if it's like that. That. Second one right here. So it's holding, this one's holding this one. This one's holding this one in place. And this one goes down to the door and does the same thing the other way. Remember to watch out for glass. Break your door. But now it's secure.